Sony is also touting the ability to party chain the home audio system. Sony's massive MHC-V90DW is 2000 watts, is built for your next house party. The MHC-V90DW is being placed as a party speaker as it comes with a variety of features fit for your next house party. Sony's audio division has launched a new powerful product. Built-in FM radio tuner. Having a quick hands-on of the jumbo-size speaker, I was quite impressed. It's a one-stop solution for all your audio needs. It is quite powerful and should offer enough power to fill in a huge hall. The gestures controls work well, but considering almost everyone uses smartphones to play music, it is more of a show-off feature. You can also move it around as it comes with wheels and a handlebar for easy transport. The V90DW will be available in India from 21 September at 65,990 rupees. The video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.